You hear Elwood? Hello everybody, and welcome to Frame Family Farm. I just got the little water filled up for the littles here. Do our daily routine here, check on the birds. Check on the littles here first, since I have water for them. I hear them in there. Alright, and you still have a little bit of water, but it's dirty, and there's not much left in it anyways. It's time to swap it out. Alright. Alright, watch out. Watch out. Alright. They're looking pretty good. They're growing really well too. Aren't you? Aren't you? Even the little bantams. Alright, let's check on the big birds. Wyatt, leave them birds alone now. You too, Mags. Put my other globe on. Awful chatty there, rooster. Huh? My little silky rooster. Oh, there's that white one. Hi. We hatched that one. We hatched this one too. My wife calls it a reverse Brahma. It's a very pretty bird. All right. Watch out. We hitched that one too. One of my turkeys. All right, let's get the babies a scoop. All right. We hatched that Brahma too. You guys still have, actually, you got a lot of food in there. You guys got a lot of food in there. You just round that up, I guess. There you go. Don't you side eye me, punk. There's that turkey my little silky hatched. And this is the other bird my silky hatched right there. That little black one. Got any eggs in here? I don't see any. I don't see any. The baby ducks are over there too. Okay. Alright. We're gonna pull eggs and I gotta get the big birds some water. There is my showgirl silky rooster. Kind of ridiculous looking, but I got to get them some water and pull eggs, and that's it for the birds. And then we're on to the cows next.